Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited about this video. This is video bonus number 3, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create snapshot filters that you could sell on Etsy as a digital product. Now, the reason why I'm doing these bonus videos is because this is a series of the Etsy course that I just completed on my YouTube channel. So what I recommend, if you're just stumbling on this video, go back to my playlist and watch the Etsy course. I'm going to be teaching you how to create a store on Etsy to sell digital products. And it's about 15 videos. And once you watch that, you should be able to have an idea of what type of niche you want to sell. Do you want to do like a store of just filters? Do you want to do a store for wedding signs? Do you want to do a store for, let's say, party invites, coloring pages, stickers, etc., digital planners? It just pretty much depends on what type of digital product you want to do. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video is because a lot of people requested, can I show how I create my products? Because for many people, it's their first time creating a digital product. So I kind of wanted to show you a little bit of different stuff that I do to kind of inspire you and make you want to go ahead and get started today. Now, the first thing is, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe today. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. Don't forget to give this girl some love by liking this video, please. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Now, the first thing I want you to do is, if you have not done so yet, is to register at creativemarket.com. This is one of my top favorite places because you're able to download beautiful clip art, templates, graphics, fonts, etc. The list goes on and on and on of all the things that you could buy to create beautiful items for your handmade items. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using these beautiful flowers, which are the same flowers I've been using on my previous bonus videos, just to kind of make it simple and easy to do. Now, what I recommend is, if you have not signed up through Creative Market, please use my referral link. I will leave it in the comment section below. And let's go ahead and get started. So if you are planning to sell snapshot filters, the first thing you want to do is make sure you have the right size. I recommend always checking because it's constantly changing. I might tell you today is 1080 by 2340 pixel. And then you might check today and it might be a different day. And when you check, it's a different size. So always check. You could just Google it and say snapshot filter size, and this page will pop up for you. So this is the size that we're working with. This is the size for snapshot. So what I normally do is I'll go to Canva. I usually do it through Photoshop, but you could do a filter through any editing software out there. So it doesn't matter. So I'm going to size this for pixel, and it was 1080 by 2340. Let's check it again just to make sure I got it right. Yeah, I got it right. Boom. So here is the template. This is for a snapshot filter. What I normally do, I recommend, if you are using Canva and you're starting an Etsy store, go ahead and start paying the $12 a month. It is worth it. You get a lot of more features. You could do the transparent background. If you don't pay for the pro version, there's some stuff that you will not be able to use. But for $12 a month, especially when you could create so many items, I highly recommend it. So from here, all I would do is, the first thing I do is I select the photo. The reason why I'm going to do a photo is because I'm going to use this filter that I create also as a mock-up. So when people see it, they could buy from me. So I'm going to say wedding. I'm going to create a wedding filter. And I'm going to look up pictures for weddings here. So here are some wedding pictures here. So I'm going to pick one of these pictures. Let's say this one here. No, I don't like that one too much. So just play around with it until you find a picture that you like. I kind of like this one here. And then try to stretch it out to see if it looks good in here. So I'm trying to stretch this one out. And it's starting to not really show. No, because it just looks like flowers. Let's see this one here. Let's see if I could use this one. Okay, I kind of like this one. So this is a picture I'm going to use as my mock-up, basically. And then I'm going to upload some flowers for my filter. Now I have these 3 flowers that I was working with on the previous videos. Let's see if we do different flowers. So I'm going to go through the bundle of flowers that I already purchased through Creative Market. And I'm going to see what I'm going to do here. Let's see. Let's play with them. I'm going to do, let's see. These are borders you could use, which are pretty. Okay, I'm going to use these here. I like these. So I'm going to upload these flowers. And I'm going to put this as my top. Oops, it took the picture off. Yeah, you might have to redo the photo again, which is fine. Let's get that photo that we were working with, which is this one. Let's upload it one more time. I think I deleted it by mistake. So there's the photo. And I'm going to position it to the back. There you go. So here's my filter. I have the flowers up there. And then down here, I'm going to put the person's name, the people that are getting married. So I'm creating a filter right now. So I'm going to do add name. I'm going to put this down here. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. So 55. And I'm going to put Nancy. I'm going to use my own name. Nancy and Cece. I'm going to put my husband's name. And I'm going to make this cursive. I think it will look nicer. It pretty much depends on the picture and the type of filter you're going through. If you want to make something more elegant or not. I'll make this a little bit bigger. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Maybe 95. Let's see. And then I'm going to put the wedding date on the bottom. Right here. And I'm going to make this bigger. Let's do 40. And I'll put October 20th, 2020. Well, that'll be cool. Whoever gets married that date. And then I'm going to put flowers on the bottom. So I'm going to go here and see which flowers I find. These are kind of cute. Let's see. Upload. And here they are. They're uploading. So here's one. I double clicked on it. That's why you see 2. So I'm going to put one here. And I'm going to do this one. I'm going to flip it. So right here, flip. And it's going to flip it horizontal. You see what I did? So I wanted the green to be in this corner. And then I'm going to make it smaller. Put it down here. You could get very fancy. You could do different colors if you wanted to. For this one, I just want to keep it black so it could stand out. And this is a filter basically. So what you would do is you will upload this on Etsy. And let me look up filters so you can see what I mean. So I'm gonna type in Snapshot wedding filter. So these are the filters that people purchase to use on Snapchat, as you can see. So all you would do is buy a mock-up. You could get one on Creative Market. Put the photo, put the actual picture that you just created on Canva, which is this one here, on top of the phone like that, like how this person has it. And this is the mock-up. This is what people see. This is what they get when they buy, you see? And you could do this. You could do a whole store of different filters. Like you could do wedding filters. You could do bridal shower. You could do weddings. You could do any type. And this is the mock-up that you would use. When the customer purchased the file from you, let's say they purchased, this is their name, you added the date, you did everything already. All you would need to do is when you give them the file, I would just copy this file. That way you don't lose the original one. Take the photo out of the picture. And you want to make sure that this file, you give it to them as a PNG. That means that the file is going to be, is not going to have any background. It's just going to have the flowers up here, the 2 flowers, their name, and the date. How you do that is you would download it here as a PNG. You can only get the PNG, I think, if you have, or the transparent background, if you have the pro version. So just keep that in mind. So you would download it as a transparent background, and then you will go here and you will select this one, page number 2, because the first one is just your mock-up. download it. It takes a few seconds. It will download to your computer, and that's what you would give the customer. You could actually download this to them on XC Messenger, or you could email it to them. I have people that for some reason can't download it from the XC Messenger, but this is what the customer will get. And this is clear. The background will be clear, and this is they get the same exact size, and then they will upload this on Snapchat, and their guests and anybody that attends their wedding could put this on top of their photos, and that will be like a filter that they use. And it's pretty cool. And you could do, as you saw, it didn't take me that long to do. You could use pictures from Unsplash.com. This is a website that you could get free like images that you could use for your projects, or you could use images from Canva. But as you can see, it didn't take me that long. You could change the fonts, you could change the flowers and create different filters. Even using these flowers that I bought, you can make, 50, 60, 80 different filters, different combinations of flowers, different background colors, different font colors, etc. You could add glitter on top of it. You could get as creative as you like, but just wanted to show you how to create filters that you could sell on Etsy. You could technically open a filter store just for filters. There's stores on Etsy that do that and make a killing. And they sell the filters for like $10. If you customize it, it's like $15, and people buy them, especially for weddings, parties, occasions, anniversaries, surprise birthday, etc. So I highly recommend checking it out, maybe doing some research on it, but it is a really good idea to do, especially now in the world that we live, that we love sharing our stuff in social media. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you did, and thank you guys for watching.